Okay guys, if you didn't see the last video, we were making cotton slime and with color in it. And in this video, we're going to be making cotton slime with no color in it. So, RIP. Comment down below if I should fix it. So let's take all the cotton out. So we got all the cotton out, and it's going to be plain white. So we have to rip it apart so it could be like so good. Hold on. So ripping them apart. There we go. Kind of need to be quick because I'm on 6%. Okay, now we add water. In the other video, I made this kind. Okay, so we're gonna make it small ones. Like cakes. This is like a little quick video. I really want some color. I don't know. Last time it was like kind of way too much. So we're gonna try. We are only trying one pump. Clearly one pump is not enough. Wait, hold on. I think like 2 pumps is enough. One more. Oh, okay. Whatever. So, yeah. We're mixing it up. Yeah, I think we need one more pump because I don't think that's enough. There we go. But there we go. Slay, 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 slay. This looks like vanilla ice cream. I need a fork. Okay. So there we go. It's like super fun to play with. We're gonna need one more little squirt. Yeah. So I'm kind of rushing because I'm almost out of time. So yeah, I'm rushing. Oh. Okay. There we go. Wait, hold on, pause. Okay guys, I just charged my phone. I added a little more shampoo in here. I might RIP in another one because this is kind of fun. Ooh, try shampoo. Okay. There we go. So it's try to mix. Part 2.